welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how to cut a corset top. I'll be showing you step by step on how you are going to cut a corset top. So if you are interested in this kind of tutorial, continue watching with me. So for this corset top, I'll be using this boning. This boning with me is a sewable boning. Can you see? Let me just put it. Can you see? This is a sewable boning. So I'll be making use of this sewable boning. At the same time, look at this hair stay with me. This is original hair stay. This is not cloth stay. This is hair stay. So I'll be making use of this hair stay. So I'm going to put that aside. Then I'll be making use of this Ankara fabric with this material. I'm going to combine the two together. I don't know how I'm going to combine it yet, but I know I'm using these two for this top that I'm making. At the same time, I'll be making use of this bra cup. I'll be making use of this bra cup. So here with me, I have normal bra cup. Look at it. This one here is normal bra cup. This is size 36. Just look at it. This is size 36. This is size 36. Just look at the two. Can you see? One is bigger, while one is smaller. And to tell you the truth, this is the original. Why this is? I don't want to call this one fake, but this is the original. And look at the original. It's very small. Look at the second original. Let me call it like that. You can see that this one is big. So if you are making use of this one, look at this one. This is a push-up bra cup. This is a push-up bra cup. Why this is a normal bra cup? If you are using this one, if you want it to give you a nice something, you will need to take your dart at the down part. This is the down part of the bra cup. Don't go and take dart here. I see somebody that take dart at the upper part here. No, you are taking your dart at the down part. Don't do mistake. You are taking your data, and this one you don't need to take any dart at all. This one automatically it will come out so fine. So I'll be using this bra cup for the tutorial. So without wasting much of our time, let's get into the tutorial. So for this tutorial, I'll be making use of this brown paper. No time. I'll be making use of this brown paper. Can you see? Here is my brown paper. So I'm going to fold my brown paper into two, just the way you see me doing in this video. Fold your brown paper into two, then mark your margin line. This is where I'm going to start all my measurements. I'm starting all my measurements from here. So the first thing I'm going to do is to mark out based on the style I'm making. Don't worry, you are going to see the final look of the corset top. So based on the style I'm making, the top length I'm using the top length of 22. Or let me use the top length of 21. This is the top length I'm working with. So after this top length, based on the style I'm making, because of the down part of the top, I'm going to add 5 inches to the down part of the top. Are you getting it? Based on what I'm making, I want you to understand it very well. Based on the top I'm making, if you are making just a normal top, just mark out your normal top length and add like 2 inches or 1 inch for your sewing allowance. Do you understand? But based on the one I'm making, I have to add 5 inches to the person length measurement. So after marking this out, I'll go ahead, I'll mark the half length, the bust point, the nipple to nipple. So the bust point I'm working with is the bust point of 10. The under bust I'm working with is the under bust of 12.5. The half length I'm working with is the half length of 15. Can you see? So I will go ahead, I will mark all the lines out. The half length, this is the bust point, this is the under bust, this is the half length, this is the normal length, and this is the full length I'm working with in this tutorial. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to measure my client's shoulder measurement. So let me quickly do that. Our shoulder is 14. 14 divided by 2 will give me 7 plus half inch sewing allowance. Can you see that? Anything I have here. So here now I'm going to have 7.5 here. 7.5. Can you see? So anything I use for the person shoulder, that is what I always use for their armhole circumference. So I'm going to mark 7.5 right here. Then I will go ahead at this area here, I will mark out 7.5. I hope you are getting it. So I have 7.5 here, 7.5 here, 7.5 here. So I'll go ahead, I'll connect the lines as shown. Then I'm going to go ahead and rule this as well. So sorry for that. I'll rule this out as well. Can you see that? Then I'm going to go ahead and get the midpoint of this. What do I have here? 7.5 divided by 2. You can just divide it without doing like this, and you can decide to do it this way. So this is the half of 7.5. So I'm going to mark half inch inward like so. Just the way you see me doing in this video. I will mark half inch inward. So after that, I'm going to take my French curve. I will take my French curve like so. Then I'm going to go ahead and mark out my armhole circumference. Can you see that it's very simple? We're almost done with our corset cutting. Very, very simple. So now, like I said earlier, I said this is the bust point. Let me label it because of the beginners watching this tutorial. Bust point, under bust, half length, normal length. Let's call this one normal length. Then let's call this one full length. I hope you are getting it. So now, since we are cutting a corset, you have to determine how much you are coming up with. So from the bust point, I will be coming up with 2 inch from the bust point. So this is going to be my chest line. Can you see? So this is it. So this is going to be my chest line. Now let me explain something to you. If you want your corset to cover very well, like you don't want your corset to show your box, don't come up with 2 inch. So you can come up with 3 inch from here. Like this, you can come up with 3 inch, 3.5 inch. It will cover your bobs very well. Do you understand? So if you are doing this one, you must make sure that you don't add only 2 inch to your brack up. You can add like 4 inch to your brack up. You are using, if you want it to cover your bobs very well, if your bust is 34, use brack up of 38. If you want it to cover your bobs very well, you don't want it to show anything. That is if you are using brack up. If you are not using normal, if you are not cutting it out yourself. So that is it. So this is going to be our chest line. So I have the chest line, the bust point, the under bust, the half length, the normal length, and the full length. So after that, I will go ahead, I will mark out the person nipple to nipple. So the nipple to nipple I'm working with today is 7.5. So this is 7.5 plus half of an inch. So I'm going to have 4¼ for everything. So I'm going to go ahead now and mark out 4¼ all through, like so. You are marking it all through like this till down. Since you are making a top, if you are just cutting half length, then you can just go ahead and just do it like so. So I'm going to go ahead now and rule this out. 7.5 plus half inch, that is what I use for the nipple to nipple. So after you are done marking your nipple to nipple out, at the half length area, mark 1 inch inward like this on both sides. 1 inch here, 1 inch here. At the under bust, mark 1 inch here, 1 inch here. Do you understand? Then go ahead and connect it like this. Can you see that? Then you can go ahead and just do your finishing for the down part once and for all, so that you know that you are done with the down part. So the only place you need to work now is the upper part here. Do you get? So you are going to now take your French curve and mark it out like so. Just watch how I'm going to do it. It's very, very simple. Just take your time and do it very well. Take your time and follow the tutorial. You will see that it will come out beautiful. Can you see? So on both sides, I come in with 1 inch here. After that, at this my chest line here, please watch this tutorial carefully. At this my chest line here, if you don't want your bulbs to show, you can just leave it here and just mark ½ inch inward, just like this. You can use this at this place. You can just decide to use this. So let me just show you. Then you are going to place your French curve like this. Place it, make sure that it's under the, can you see? But if you want your cleavage to show, you can come down from here. You can come down as far as 1 inch, 1.5 inch. Do you understand? Then after you are done with that, at this point here, at this place here, You are going to, you can use here